chicken shawarma getting ready. And fresh chicken, look at that, so juicy. Wow. Give me 1 second, just let me go around. Nice. Today is Friday, so I'm going to try for my lunch. It's amazing. I love it. I have tried the doner. I like it, but this is one of my friends. She tried it. Look at this. Look at the juicy. Wow, it's dripping. Awesome. Awesome. Again, I'm going to go back for my... Ready? Almost ready. Here we go. Yeah, just a little bit of everything. If you have a garlic sauce, I love garlic sauce. Awesome. I'm gonna go around and then wow, that's nice. Is it tahini or is it a garlic sauce?
Garlic sauce. You want tahini too? You want tahini?
No. Yeah, little bit. I like tahini, so you know, different people like different things. I like tahini in my shawarma.
Any hot?
Yeah, a little bit of hot, yeah. Yeah. Size is like 70 mm mega size, you know. Yes. In fact, 3 days ago I tried the chicken doner. I was full. The quantity and the quality, they are both good actually. I like it. I have to bring my family one day, you know. Yeah. My wife, she likes to eat turkey food, especially shawarma and all that. So, wow. I guess I have to make 2 pieces now. It's so big.
It's all good.
It's all good. Look at that. It's all fresh.